Yeah. Yeah. Oh my, what a wonderful time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leilani. I do vlogs, just showing you guys my life. Today, we're doing an unboxing. Me and another YouTuber friend, her name is Leilani. You guys check out her YouTube as well. It'll be in the description, her Instagram, everything will be down there. Go check out the video on her page. She also is going to be unboxing what I got her. Let's just get right into this. I have been dying to open this, you guys. To open this now, I can't wait. So I have a key because I don't know where the scissors are. So I don't know how good this is gonna work. But it's already so cute. Okay, so she put a little card in here for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's Mickey Mouse. That's adorable. Because I just went there. Literally wrote me the biggest note of my life. Dear Raya Elena, I'm so happy that we are able to collab for the holiday. Getting ideas from only Pinterest was a struggle, but came to be really exciting. I hope you enjoy this package filled with a variety of things I came up with when getting to know a little bit about you. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Sincerely, Leilani. That is so adorable. And then the card says, wishing you a bright and happy holiday season. Yeah, this video, you guys, we only got to like know each other through each other's Pinterest. I exchanged my Pinterest with her. She gave me her Pinterest. So that was the way that we got each other's gifts for each other. If you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, my Pinterest is also Raya Elena. It is so adorable. I pin like every single day, and so check my Pinterest out if you guys are on Pinterest. You will not regret it. I love Pinterest. So let's just get right into the package. So first thing I'm pulling out is this. It looks like round. I'm gonna guess a candle. Let's see. Okay, no, it's not a candle. Oh my god, it's a mug and I love coffee. Okay, let's see what kind of mug it is. This is so cute. You guys, I have needed this all my life. Thank you, girl. Okay, I'm using this every single day. This is adorable. It's like glossy right here, and then the handle is matte. So cute. This is second thing. Oh my god, this bag is so cute too. It's like rose gold. Oh my gosh. She got me Fenty Beauty, you guys. I am in love. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. This is so pretty. Let's see. Look at that, you guys. Ah! And it's called Hustler Baby. Seriously. And a lipstick. You guys, this is so nice. What else did she stuff in here? Victoria's Secret perfume bombshell. I love this. I could already smell it. It smells so good. And it's packaged so cute, you guys, with a little ribbon and everything. Oh my gosh. And it's one of the roll ones. That is so perfect. That smells so good. Thank you. I literally love all of this so much. Another Victoria's Secret perfume. I don't know what this one's called. Oh, Tease. So she got me Victoria's Secret Tease and Victoria's Secret Bombshell. I'm not gonna put both on because then it's gonna smell so weird, but this one smells so good too, you guys. If you guys want these, this is honestly so convenient because you could just stick it in your purse and then just like so easy. You don't have to spray in front of anybody. Like, you're just sitting down in like a meeting or something and you can like start to smell yourself. You don't even have to spray, just boom. Perfect. I love these so much, girl. And this is the last thing she got me, you guys. So we got this bag, which is so beautiful. 2 Victoria's Secret perfumes, the roll-ons. We got my first ever Fenty Beauty, a card that says the most precious thing in it, and then also a mug. I'm in love with this because I don't have my own mug. Yay, I finally have my own mug. I'm addicted to coffee, so excited. So last thing, American Eagle. This is so cute. Girl power. I love all of this so much. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ty, you're an angel. If you guys want to go see what I got Ty, check out her video on her channel. All of her stuff will be down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. I'm in love with you guys. This is my first ever Fenty anything, so, and my own personal mug. I love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Ty, for doing this with me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys give this a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, more workout routines, more healthy eating, all of that stuff. Go check out my videos. I'll put a few right here. I'll see you guys in the next video.